Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the TaoHFE Bathroom Wall Cabinet, a versatile and stylish storage solution perfect for any bathroom, laundry room, or kitchen. Crafted from high-quality MDF board, this cabinet is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, with a water-based paint finish that ensures it remains waterproof and ideal for bathroom use. The cabinet features a stable wall mounting system, complete with an extra board for added security, ensuring it hangs firmly and safely. Its minimalist design includes adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the height within 3 inches to accommodate various items like toiletries, sanitary products, and even medicines. With dimensions of approximately 20.1 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 22.8 inches in height, this space-saving cabinet won't take up any floor space, making it a great addition to your home decor. Assembly is a breeze thanks to detailed instructions and all necessary mounting hardware, and the smooth, well-painted surface makes cleaning a simple task. Enhance your home with the TaoHFE Bathroom Wall Cabinet, combining functionality and elegance in one compact package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.